Hey guys, welcome to a Unity tutorial on how to make a flashlight in VR. Also, sorry for the jet engine in my background. So we already got all the Unity or the Unity XR plugin stuff already ready. I'll have a tutorial to that in the description. But all you need to do is well, I already have an asset which I'll link in the description. But so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Package Manager. I'm going to do flashlight and then import. But I don't actually need to do that because I already imported it. This is probably going to be a bad idea. So first step, go in, find flashlight. Wait, no, that's not it. Let's see, flashlight, textures. I think it's in textures now. Model, there it is. So then you bring it into the world. Then it should all automatically come with a spotlight, but it doesn't. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to bring it in. Okay, so then you just got to align it just right. So let's see, up, back. Okay, let's see. I mean, it doesn't have to be perfect, but oh, wrong thing. But the more centered and stuff it is, the better it'll be. So then go to Spotlight. Darn it. Let's see. Add tab, Spectre. Okay. So now what you're gonna want to do is go to Flashlight, Textures, and then add in the first one, because the first one is one that isn't really broken. Like, I tried it and it was kind of broken. So at the end of the 50, maybe I'm probably only gonna have it be 35, because that's a nice good number. Then you just have to put the spotlight inside the flashlight. Set it to 0, 0, 0. Wait. I always forget how this works because I'm not too good. Then I'm going to go to Assets, create a new C# script, name it flashlight. But then inside of that, you're gonna want to put in this code.
Kitchen door.
So you're gonna want to put in this code to it.
Ready?
Okay, so I'm just waiting for my Visual Studio. So the code you'll want to put in is this. So yeah, all of this is the code that you want. Basically what it does is it says that the flashlight is it's like a game object or whatever. And it gets a component of the light and it's able to toggle it on and off. Now, what'll happen if my thing will shut down. Come on. Yeah. So now, what you do is go to Spotlight, add this into there, wait for it to load, do a grab interactable, set it to, all that should be good, but all you want is activate, add, bring in the spotlight, then do flashlight, toggle light. Oh wait, I forgot to add a mesh collider. That's why it's going through the floor. Now all I need to add is a mesh collider. Set it to convex. That way it has collision and stuff. And I think it's continuous dynamic. So now, okay, now I'm loading up. Yeah, there it is. I can grab it, and with the trigger, I can turn it on and off. You can also mess with how big the flashlight is, its color, stuff like that. But It works. So, see you guys. Bye.